Welcome, everyone. Today we have a spacious 6-bedroom four-bathroom home located in the desirable Heartease community of Mandeville. This fixer-upper is full of potential and offers a great opportunity for customization or investment. Just 7 minutes from the town center, the property features a 3-car garage and an independent 1-bedroom apartment and helper's quarters, perfect for rental income or extended family living. With large bedrooms, generous living areas, and a prime location, this home is ideal for buyers looking to create their dream space or generate passive income. Great location, minutes from Mandeville town, income-generating 1-bedroom apartment. Large lot with room to expand, helper's quarters. Perfect for investors or homeowners with vision. Don't miss out. Let's take a look inside. The price for this one is JMD $26 million. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more.